Do you want to see friends liked Reels on Instagram? You can see what friends liked on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To see the Reels your friends have liked on Instagram. First, open the Play Store or App Store and update the Instagram app to the latest version. Once updated, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on the Reels video icon at the bottom of the screen. Now, you are on the Reels video playing screen, where you will see all the Reels by scrolling. To view Reels that your friends have liked or commented on, tap on the Friends tab at the top of the screen. Here, you'll see activity from your friends, including the Reels they have liked, commented on, or shared. At the bottom of the Reels, you will see your friend's profile picture to check who liked or commented on it. Scroll through this feed to find and watch Reels your friends have interacted with.